Hello, traders. There is an opportunity in BankNifty scalping trade. Many traders don't know how to do scalping in intraday trading. First of all, I want to tell that for intraday, always use 1 minute or 3 minute time frame in BankNifty chart that will give the fast moment and fast entry and exit in the scalping trade of BankNifty. The time limit must be between 9:15 to 10:30 and 12:30 to 2:30, because 90% of time between 10:30 to 12:30 sideways action is there. And in scalping trade, we want a fast moment in trading for the BankNifty. Best scalping strategy we can use of 2 different indicators, and both will give the blasting result. First, we have to use a super trend indicator with the setting of 7 and 2. Second indicator we will use is EMA. First, go to setting and change the length to 20. In the scalping trade, the candle must be above 20 EMA and super trend must be in the buy signal. So let's take an example on 14 Feb 2024 at 14:12. This type of buying situation occurs, then green candle is called as alert candle. One can take buy trade above that high of alert candle is 45683. And stop loss will be low of that. Alert candle is 45562, and the high is about 46168, and that gave the bumper jackpot profit. Let us check in one more example of 12 Feb 2024 at 12:00. You will see in that chart, for the sell side, red candle must close below 20 EMA, and super trend must be in the sell zone. And low of the alert candle is entry at 452222 and alert candle. High of stop loss is 45249. The low is about 446662. Awesome profit booked by clients. In another example, you will see in that on 31 Jan 2024. The chart is for the buy side green candle, must close above 20 EMA, and super trend must be in the buy zone, and high of the alert candle is entry at 45307 in call side, and alert candle low is stop loss at 45201, and the high is about 46173, and that gave the bumper jackpot profit. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and trading strategies. Happy trading!